Greetings to my brothers and sisters in Korea. I am Marky Stephen Noblero from the Philippines, a former transgender woman, but now a follower of Christ. I am here to support and encourage you to stand firm and be the voice of truth, to embrace our true identity of being a man and a woman. Through the Rainbow Crosser and global gender movement, we can unite and empower one another to help the children, families, and communities to share the truth regarding of the gender issues that's going on globally. By the grace of God, love, and prayer, nothing is impossible. God bless and mabuhay.